Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my everyday makeup look. It takes me literally 5 minutes to do. I do this every day, like to work. If I'm doing just like a quick makeup look, this is my go-to. Very minimal products, super quick, like I said. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so first step, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair 10, and I'm just going to pop it on under my under eyes. This is what and then I take like a foundation brush and just kind of rub it out, and I go over like my eyes too. So basically just like that, and then I take like a little bit more. And like put it on problem areas. There aren't like a lot, obviously. Just some like spots here and there. And just kind of blend it out. Then I'm going to take the Mercier translucent powder and just kind of hit the spots, set the spots that I did with the concealer. And then just kind of get the excess all over my face. After that, I'm going to take this Rimmel London Stay Matte. I've literally been using this since I started wearing makeup. And I just take this and put it all over my face. And like, I tend to get kind of oily in the T-zone area, so I just like put this on. Next, I'm gonna take Hoola Bronzer and just like a little bronzer brush. This is the Morphe M405. Hit these areas here. I think I want to do this Baddie on the Block by Kylie Cosmetics. And then I'm going to take this Chanel blush brush and just like pop that on. All over the cheeks, and then I like put some up here. And then you can't forget the nose. That's key to the little cute look. I literally just put blush all over my face. Okay, next step. I'm gonna take an eyebrow brush. This one's weird. I'm gonna take an eyebrow brush and just brush up my eyebrows. This is like literally my only eyebrow stub, because my eyebrows are just like super bushy and they just kind of do their own thing, honestly. So I'm just gonna take this, so another brush, and then I want to just like set them with some brow gel. I'll be honest, I hate this brow gel. I normally use the e.l.f. brow gel, which costs like $1, and I went to the store and they didn't have it, so I bought this Maybelline like clear transparent brow gel, and it's just like too wet. I don't know what to tell you, but I mean, I'm trying to use it up, so just like brush my eyebrows up, make sure they don't look too wacky. And then we're going to take an eyelash curler and just squeeze these bad boys. Ah! I literally just pinched my cheek with this. Okay. So now that I curled my eyelashes, by the way, curling does everything for your eyelashes. I'm going to take this Dior Pump and Volume Mascara and apply it. I'm like really like anal about my mascara, and it takes me like forever to do because I'm just like super picky with it. My mirror's over here, sorry, I'm trying to do most of it in the camera. So I do top lashes, I like this. Honestly, I just love Dior mascara because I feel like their wands get the most like product on each individual lash, and they just like really are not clumpy. So like if you're looking for like that separated lash look, like try Dior mascara because like it does not like clump your lashes together at all. So then, since I've like used a lot of the product on the brush, I'm just gonna like get the little bottom babies. Oh my god, trying to do this in the camera, so hard. Okay. So when I promise you that's literally it, that's literally it. So like I will tell you if I'm doing a lip, I have 2 go-tos, and it's the Dior Lip Glow in 001 and then the Dior Lip Maximizer Gloss. Like these two together, the lip glow just like emphasizes your natural lip color, like you can already see. That's making my lips just like pop. And then take some of this gloss and boom, like you have the most natural lip in the history. But it's like, it's perfect. I love a good natural lip, and this is like my natural everyday makeup. If I'm going to work, if I'm just like popping on some makeup really quick, this is the look I'm doing. And it took me all of like 5 minutes, legit. So I hope you enjoyed, and press subscribe over here if you liked, and I will have more videos for you soon.